friends, God bless you and welcome. Today's video is a motivational clean with me video. Thank y'all for stopping in. Friends, in today's video, this is an hour impact empowerment of cleaning. That's right, cleaning kitchen. I'm at my son's house and I will be cleaning the kitchen, so I decided to record, and I got this inspiration and cleaning and motivation from the channel Squeaky Clean, and shout out to her channel, guys, and go check her out. And she do a lot of motivational cleaning. She's an at-home mom, and guys, you will love it. And I always love cleaning videos, so I am going to try to inspire you like she has inspired me. So I hope you guys enjoy. Friends, in today's video, I am going to clean the kitchen, and this is after breakfast, and we had everything all over the place. I'm at my son and daughter's house, and I help them from time to time while they're working with the grands. I'm going to load the dishwasher, spray down the stove, to get all that little sticky things off and grime off the stove. And guys, I apologize for some of this footage because I did not bring my phone stand. So take all mistakes for love. So here, guys, I'm just cleaning down and wiping down the tables and moving the breakfast dishes from the table. And if any of you are curious about this table, my daughter-in-law got it from Walmart. And I am going to use my favorite cleaner. Guys, y'all know I love odor band because it disinfects. Now, some of my footage, for some reason, I had it in slow mode. I didn't understand why. So a lot of this I'm gonna have to cut because I recorded in slow mode. So guys, I hope that y'all are having a blessed and prosperous day. And I will also make sure I leave the link to Squeaky Clean Life. I will leave the link to her channel in my description box. Please let her know that Penny sent you. While I'm trying to clean and get all this straightened, guys, I do have a little help on the side, or maybe someone just watching me and wondering if Grandma gonna do it right. But through it all, he stood out of my way. The only problem I had was the little new dog that they had, but you'll see little Chucky a little later in the video. And I definitely love these chairs. They're perfect for families that have children. And let me tell you guys, these are so easy to clean down. I'm wiping them down, the chairs, the legs, and everything. And there actually are 6 chairs. And the table is a great table for children and family. And it's easy, on the wear and tear. And guys, I loaded the dishwasher and clean down some things and the counters. You'll be surprised what you can get done in the hour of power. So I hope that you guys will try this. I got a lot done within this hour. I'm cleaning, wiping down, sweeping the floors, and doing a lot of things. So I hope y'all having a great, blessed day, and thank you so much for stopping in and watching. Okay, guys, I'm on the move, and also I have another little helper in the kitchen, the new dog, and he's just being busy and knocking down all the trash that was in the bags that I had to take outside. So he decided to knock it down. So little Chubby is being busy. Sometimes I call him Chucky. But guys, I'm telling you, he's a good little dog in spite of all. He actually was a rescue dog, and my daughter-in-law bought him from someone about an hour away for only $30. And I'm telling you, he loved bottling the trash. He loved trash. I'm telling you, friends, I'm really rolling. Not as fast as this video, but I am rolling. And guys, I'm telling you, when I got through with this, I had a lot accomplished. I did a lot. I'm telling you. But I'm telling you, I felt like I was at the gym. So I was telling my husband, I said, wow, I felt like I was at the gym working out. Because, guys, I was really moving. It was a non-stop. So, I couldn't, I'm sorry I couldn't show you everything and show you me actually, moving around constantly. But guys, I thank you so much. And I thank so much Squeaky Queen Life for this inspiration. Please don't forget to go back and check out her cleaning channel. Guys, we're all growing this together. And if you're not a part of my channel, I would love to join. I do a lifestyle channel. I do cleaning. I do DIY. I do budget saving, things to help to inspire us. And guys, you will see me do more cleaning videos. And like I said earlier, I always love cleaning videos. I just have to, put my mind to it and just do it. So guys, thank y'all so much, and thank y'all so much for watching. As I started cleaning out this microwave, cleaning this microwave is really not that bad. When you start cleaning and you have a microwave over your stove, you just have to start from the top going down first. So that's what I was doing, cleaning the microwave, then the stove, and the bottom of the stove. And as you will see, continue to watch, and I hope y'all enjoy. I'm so glad I was able to get just a little bit of footage, guys, of me cleaning. My grandson DJ, when he went on break from his virtual school, did a little recording for me. So thank you, DJ. if you keep your air fryer on your counter. So I just took time to put the air fryer back under the cabinets, because even at my house I don't keep it on my counter. I don't have much space. So also, guys, I got some silver cleaner, and I did clean the refrigerators down. And my daughter-in-law had found a sign. I don't know if you can see it on the video. It says dirty or clean for the dishwasher, and she got that from Amazon. Guys, that really helps, because sometimes you don't know whether the dishes is dirty or whether the dishes are clean. So just look on Amazon. I hope that you'll be able to find it. If you don't, just let me know and I'll ask her for the link. So this is what Chubby did. He knocked all the trash down, which he didn't do too bad. We were gonna take out all this trash from last night, and it was pretty easy and everything looked so beautiful. But I did make sure I asked my daughter-in-law, could I, tape some cleaning videos in her home, and she said, sure mom, you can do that anytime you want if you want to clean. So guys, this is the finished results. I'm telling you, they have a big kitchen and that dining room, and I haven't even included the den. But this is the wall that we was painting yesterday, and she chooses color green. What do you think? So guys, thank y'all so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Bye bye.